In this video, I will show you how to change your Discord background. So of course you do have the dark and light themes for Discord, but you can actually get backgrounds as well. So if I come into my app, you'll see I've actually got a background like this. And the theme is slightly different. You'll see the text is a bit different and we've got this nice kind of image in the background. So it's very easy to do. So make sure you stick around and watch this video to learn how to do this. So in order to do this, what you're going to need to do first is actually have Better Discord. So Better Discord is completely free to download. And if you don't have that, what you can do is come across to betterdiscord.app. And all you want to do is hit the blue download button down here, and just go ahead and install that onto your PC or laptop. I do have a separate video on how to install it if you do want a more detailed tutorial. So once you've got this done, the next thing you're going to do is come to betterdiscord.app, and then you want to put a / and then put themes. And it's going to take you across to all the themes that are available that you can actually download and install onto Discord. So what you want to do is basically you can scroll down and browse through them like this, and you can see there's actually a ton of different themes on here. Or if there's something you're looking for in particular, then what you can do is come to this search bar at the top of the page and you can put something in there for what you're looking for. So for example, if I was to put something like nature and hit enter, then what's going to happen, this is going to display a lot of themes which are going to be related to nature, or sort of have the nature tag. As you can see underneath the themes we got these tags, and then once you found one you like, you just want to hit the download button. So I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to click the blue download button. This is going to start installing the theme. So this one's called Poison. So what you're going to do next is come into your settings. So you want to come to Discord and then go to your settings. So you want to come to this gear icon in the bottom left hand corner and give that a click. And then what you're going to do after Better Discord is installed is obviously scroll down until you get to the Better Discord section down here. And then from here you want to click onto themes. What we're going to do is open up the themes folder first. So we want to click the blue button to open up the themes folder, and then the theme we've just downloaded, which is going to simply drag and drop that into the folder. And once that's done, that's all added and it is ready to go straight away. So if we now come back into Discord, you'll see that's been added, and to turn this theme on, all you need to do is simply click this little toggle button here. And you'll see that's been enabled, so we can see already that the text and things like this has changed. And if I actually come out of this, so you'll see we've got like the different text and the colors. So that's how you do it, and I hope this video helped you out today. If this video did help you out, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt, which can take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Discord. So I just want to take a minute to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one.